Hey there, Mike Johnson here from Owasco RV Center. Today I'm going to feature you the Winnebago Vista. This is a 2024. This is the Canyonlands edition. So it's got a few extra features. It's got a beautiful body paint, side mount cameras, lots of compartment storage along the edge on the bottom. Also has an outdoor entertainment center, outdoor fridge, and at the back an additional awning to the side awning. This is a really nice unit. It's a 2024 onboard generator. It's on the Ford chassis, 7.3 liter, beautiful unit. Now that we're inside the 2024 Winnebago Vista Canyonlands edition, you can see up front it has a really nice spacious dash. It has a work area that pops out for a computer. Backup camera monitor in here. You have your self-leveling jack system. Very comfortable seats. As you work your way to the back, you have theater seating that is fully adjustable. Your dinette that folds down into a bed with your overhead TV. Nice double stainless steel sinks across from your complete control panel to look after everything in the coach. Lots of cupboard space. You have a 3-burner cooktop right here. Really nice full oven, microwave, nice spacious large compartment 12-volt fridge. Work your way into the bathroom. You have a 3-piece bathroom, nice stand-up shower, sink, vanity, and toilet. And as you work yourself into the back, we have a nice king-size bed with a TV, nice little work counter, your armoire cupboards. This is the 2024 Winnebago Vista Canyonland Edition. And my name is Mike Johnson from Owasco RV Center. Give me a call, 647-915-3015, and I'll book you an appointment.